Hi girlies, check out my Indian grandma's hair growth recipe, y'all. So yeah, if you're struggling with a dry hair breakage or slow hair growth, now this DIY herbal spray will become your favorite. Trust and believe. So what I'm doing, I'm just using 5 powerful herbs that have been using for centuries: hibiscus and moringa, and of course I grind them up and all of that. And then we have rosemary, and we're gonna use rosemary, moringa, hibiscus, and cloves. So I know that my hibiscus without light rays, but don't worry about that. I put her in the sun to dry, you see, guys, and don't worry, it still have the slippery consistency that makes the hair full of moisture. So I'm putting you ladies on. So let's get into it. 5 powerful herbs. Alright. So let me give you some backstory. So first, I'm just taking out 1 teaspoon of each, and I'm going to put in my glass jar. So let's start with the cloves she. So cloves are rich in antioxidants. It basically helps to stimulate the scalp. So it improves blood circulation, it strengthens the hair roots, reduce shedding, and leave your scalp feeling refreshed. So it's a powerhouse. Now the fenugreek she packed with protein, nicotinic acid, which basically helps strengthen weak hair. So if your hair weak and always a break, then fenugreek should be a bestie. So it reduces breakage, it improves moisture retention, and it makes your hair feel soft and easier to manage, ladies, right? So I already put everything in the jar. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to boil some water, and I'm going to pour it on it and leave it for 24 hours. Okay, as you can see, it's the next day and I'm straining it. So I just use one blows. Don't watch me. I use one blows. You can use a cheesecloth if you have any fancy smash, whatever you have. But me, I use one blows and strain it out because I don't want the residues to come out in my ear. Anyways, rosemary. I know say I love rosemary. Rosemary is my bestie. So this, it's a very popular herb which helps and aids in healthy hair. So it supports scalp circulation. So it may help reduce shedding, hair thinning, strengthens the roots, and it promotes a healthier environment for long hair. Okay. Now the hibiscus she's loaded with vitamins, amino acids, and it basically helps to condition the hair because it have that slippery thing going on for it. Same thing with the fenugreek she seeds them if you crush them and whatnot. So it improves shine, reduce split ends, and it basically keeps your strands feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. So here I've been rocking this minitwist for 15 days at the time of recording this video, and the amount of growth I've gotten, it's ridiculous, and it's not even 1 month. I'm kidding you not. If you use this consistently, your hair go grow. Big man thing. So the one moringa this, it's a powerhouse. It's filled with vitamin A, C, E, iron, and zinc. So these helps to nourish both the scalp and the hair, and it strengthens the strands. It supports healthy hair growth and add moisture to dry, brittle hair. So if you're not using these ayurvedic herbs, you need to get on it. Big man thing. No cap. 15 days me have dentist in, and they want to redo because the growth is exponential. Like no cap. And then weekend time when me I wash my hair, me throw my rice water and rinse my hair with it. So y'all, this is hair growth and crack. And then if you're essential oil girly, you can add those too. But because me live in a Caribbean, me just work with the herbs them when Master God provide. Me say no joke. My ear I grow as a waist length me say guys. So girls, may I put on no cap. If you want long healthy hair, try these herbs. You will not regret it. Ensure that you use it on your scalp, massage your scalp for a minute or two. After you massage your scalp for a minute or two, go in with a leave-in conditioner same way and seal it with your oil or your butter and you won't regret it. If you're not subscribe it, subscribe and like the video. Ciao. Bye.